What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for dropping by. So this is going to be a short video. I'm just going to break it down something simple, and it has to do with not having to draw your lines every day. If you already drew your lines from the previous day, this is a simple way that you can continue with some of the lines from the past instead of deleting everything and starting all over it again. So let's get right into the charts. So I already drew my lines, but I left a particular one just to use for an example. So as you can see on my screen, I'm on Euro USD, and this is a new day, even though the new day has gone for some time. So I just want to give you an idea. We had some lines from the previous day, that's from yesterday. They are still on the chart. So if you were to deal with such lines, how will you deal with them? The first thing is to go to the 1 hour chart. You can see I'm already on the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, I already set on my own the period separator, so it divides the day. You can see this line here, from year to year is 1 day, from year to year it's another day. So this new day started from here. So far we have had 9 hours so far in the new day starting from here. If you count it, should be about 9 hours. So that gives you an idea of what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. So from the previous day, this was what happened in the previous day. So we can see that we still have some lines from that previous day. Some of them were not touched. Since yesterday, the market moved in one direction for most of the day. So because of that, since it moved in one direction for most of the day, you just find out that the lines we drew that were lower were not touched. So that's a kind of idea you can use depending on how the market moves. You can just have an idea that okay, this was touched, that was not touched. Okay, so this, I have a line above here, so I'm thinking it must have been from yesterday too. So let me go to 30 minutes and try and see where that came from. Okay, exactly. So on 30 minutes there was a turning point there. So that remained because yesterday, even though the market rallied, it didn't get as high as that. So that line remains. So that's an idea of using a level from the previous day, So that level remained since the market did not necessarily get to that point. Even though it rallied up, it didn't get to that high, so that level remained. This was a special level because we go to 15 minutes, we'll see that there was also a turning point there. So it was a 30 minutes and 15 minutes turning point that we had there, you understand? Okay, so back to 1 hour. So once you get into your 1 hour chart, like I said, crease it out again. Get to your 1 hour chart. You just look for those levels that, okay, for the whole day, okay, this 1 hour chart, the market moved like this. Which levels did it touch? Which levels did it not touch? So if I go to 30 minutes here, you can see that, in fact, yes, I guess this is a special day because it literally didn't break any of the special levels that we were anticipating or looking forward to. Literally didn't break any of them. This is a 15 minutes line. So let me see where that formed. Let me zoom out. I'm just giving you an idea of how you just search out for those levels. Okay, so this is a 15 minutes line. You can see when we drew that yesterday, there was a level here of 15 minutes. So the price actually rose up and hit that level. This was the previous day before yesterday. So what do? We just click on that, we delete that. So we know that this is a line that is no longer relevant. You feel me? Most of yesterday rose up on 1 hour. Okay, so let me check on 30 minutes. Okay, so this line here is still valid, this blue line, because it was actually a level that happened on 30 minutes. And since the market rose up and went sideways most of the day, those levels are valid. Then you can see below here, let me zoom out again. You can see below here we have a white line, which is usually 4 hours or daily. That one still remains valid because the market never came down. So this is just an idea that you can use if you're going to be taking trades. So you just simply, what you just do when you get into the 1 hour, you just delete the levels that, okay, maybe if it went up and you had a level above, you just delete those ones. The ones you didn't touch, you can leave those ones. Delete the lower ones, then you just continue in the new day like that. So in this particular case now, the market is rising here. I can now just continue by drawing my lines. I can just immediately go to 1 hour. You can see we have a turning point here, 1 hour. Let me change that to blue. Okay, then there's a turning point here, 1 hour. Change that to blue also. Let me take that lower. Okay, just right about there. So I can just immediately check, okay, on 30 minutes, is that turning point also on 30 minutes? voila, it's on 30 minutes also. So since on 30 minutes also, I changed it to green. So immediately I know that this level is a level of 1 hour and 30 minutes colliding. Then I now go to my alerts. Now go to my alerts and set an alert for that level. That level is 69295. So I just type it as 0629. I think it was actually 3, the precise level. And I click on OK. I've actually set that level before, so I already know. You understand? So that's it. So this is just exactly how you go. So you just continue like that. Draw those levels. You can go back to you can even, after you delete those there, you can go back to your daily time frame and begin to just observe them from the daily time frame. And gradually walk your way back down to 15 minutes and you will have all your levels. Like I said, I had already done that. So for today, it looks something like this. I'll put it in 15 minutes. I'd already marked those levels. In fact, earlier on in the day, I even called an alert. When the market came down and hit this level, this was a perfect level. I called it, sent it to you guys, and I believe some of you made some money from it. This one hit this level. I called that, and that was a winning trade for a number of us, I believe. Okay, so that's it, friends. If this video was helpful to you and beneficial, please like and subscribe and share with others. This year, 2023, I'm going to be dropping a lot of strategies, more ways to win in the market, and I'll be dropping a lot on Forex too. Those of you interested in Forex, stay tuned. You'll be trading this year and you'll make money. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. Bye.